Me,
So this guy is telling me his name is Kefa, and also I have
I'm Chief Engineer William.
Chief Engineer William.
Yeah.
So I'm being guided, but guys, the river that we just last year.
Hata hii mwaka. Unajua Mos.
I wanted to go and swim over there, but many people are discouraging me about going to swim in that river.
Ile river ni kubwa sana.
It's more dangerous.
Inaweza kumeza bwana.
Get ready to be swept away by nature's symphony. Brace yourself for an exclusive sneak peek into my upcoming waterfall vlog. Hear the thunderous roar, feel the mist kiss your skin, and behold the breathtaking beauty of cascading waters. Join me as I unveil the serene magic and untamed power of these natural wonders. Stay tuned for an immersive experience that will leave you captivated and craving for more here on my channel, Brian Vlogs.
Yes, hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Brian Vlogs, and today we'll be exploring one of the best, amazing, stunning waterfalls here in Kisii. And I did not record the journey as I started, but I have some few clips. So I boarded a matatu from Daraja Moja to Keumbu, and then from Keumbu I drove by a motorbike which brought me to Nyabisabo, and then I diverted on my right hand side. So we'll be taking you there on our vlog. Kindly give the video a like and also share to your friends. I also have So I also have my friend here who will be my tour guide on my vlog. I just want him to introduce himself, and then he'll also be explaining us more about the waterfall later. Yeah. So say hi to my audience.
Hi. I'm called Brian Makori.
Yes.
This is the place where I come from. I know it better than him.
Yeah.
So
yeah, the place is so green, and I love your home place. So this is your home now.
Yeah, the place so good for nature work. So those people would like to see green world.
Green world.
You can come here and see.
Yeah, you know this.
So we have a fall. It's down there. It's called Nyakwana. So many people. Okay. 2 days, all days, they also come there to see the manager of
this waterfall.
Yeah, waterfall.
And
so
most people that I have talked about, I've talked to so many people, and I asked them about this place. They told me, Brian, don't go and swim in that waterfall because it's dangerous. And I felt like, oh, maybe these guys are trying to make me feel like maybe a bit tensed, so that I can not go visit this place. So I was like, no, I must visit this place because it was in my diary and I had written it down this year. So I have to go there, and I don't know, guys, if I'm gonna swim, but we'll know. What do you think? It's very dangerous.
The fall seems to be so dangerous for people to swim there
because it's too deep.
It's very too deep. Nobody knows the size, the deepness. Nobody knows about it.
You told me it might be even 70 meters down.
So like we approximately to 70 meters, very deep. So that meters, nobody has ever swum there.
But for me, guys, I think I should try. What do you think? I should go and maybe try to swim and see what happens. Yeah, so let's go. Yeah, so guys, we are on the journey heading to Nyakwana Waterfall. So I forgot to tell you the name. It's Nyakwana Waterfall, and it's a kind of huge waterfall because, and also it's so scary because so many people have died actually in that waterfall. So you can imagine your guy here heading to a place where people have already had some accidents. But for me, I feel like life, that's all about life. Yeah, you can take caution, yes, but if it was your day, You'll never hide it. You will never hide from there. Yeah, so let's go and see the place, and let's explore as you continue having amazing views of the trees. One thing that I love about Kisii is that they love growing trees. So the environment is so green, and the air we breathe is so clean. Yeah, to the stunning waterfalls in Kisii, from me and also from our audience who love the adventures. Let's go and explore. Maybe we'll be swimming, because I don't know, guys, because most of my friends are advising me not to. Like the tour guide here is advising me, like, Brian, you should not try to swim. It's very dangerous, please. Uh, I've just talked with him and told him, let's see, because maybe for him he has never tried, and for most people they have tried and they have managed, but a few, maybe some have failed, because if you don't know how to swim, you can even maybe you can drown, or yeah. But for me, guys, I'm ready to experience the journey, experience the waterfall, because the waterfalls that I've traveled to are this is my third one. And the first one we tried, we wanted to go and swim, but it rained. So when it rains, the water becomes so strong, you cannot even get near to it. It was in Keera Waterfall in Nyamira. And the second one, it was in Manga Waterfall. It was a small waterfall, but we did explore. So, and I think for this one, I should also go there and do it. Yeah, see, you can see the river. It's kind of small. This is now River Kuja, right? Ndio? River Kuja.
Ni source ya River Kuja.
Oh, this is not River Kuja.
No,
Oh,
this is the source.
guys. So which river is this? Do you know the name?
Yeah, I cannot
This
specify
one is
the
now
name.
like a tributary.
Yeah.
Now taking the water to River Kuja.
Yeah.
You know, now I'm more afraid because
No,
I
River
thought it this
Kuja has got so many sources. Like I said earlier.
one.
So this one of River Kuja is so biggest source.
Oh, okay. So this one is the one that supplies large amounts of volume of water.
Volume of water, the waterfall.
So we'll go there and see. Yeah. So guys, I'm being told that this one is a tributary of the main river.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which is called River Kuja.
Which is called River Kuja.
Yeah.
And so, what's the name of this river?
I cannot specify, but I think it's called Kerera. Kerera Pia. The name which you said earlier.
Keera.
Kerera.
Kerera.
Kerera River. Yeah.
But I have we have some locals here. Maybe we should go and ask them. Yeah, I'll ask them and give you the name of the river in some few minutes. Sijui kama nitaswim, lakini tutaangalia venye hiyo maji itakaa hiyo level.
Umeenda kuweka kwa TV
Ni YouTube. Hii ni YouTube.
Oh, YouTube. Sasa sisi ndio jamaa wa simu huko.
Wewe huko, sisi ni majamaa huko.
Unaitwaje? Mimi naitwa Kefa.
So this guy is telling me his name is Kefa, and also I have
Chief Engineer Ama William.
Chief Engineer Ama William.
Yeah.
So I'm being guided, but guys, the river that we just saw back then in the video is a tributary. It's a tributary of River Kuja, and this one Kebiaga. Wow, it's so huge. So which one is more? Which one has more volume of water? This one. This one is River
Kuja.
Yeah. Oh, so it's dealing with River Kirichiro.
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah. So guys, that's River Kuja. And no, I just want to head to the waterfall so that I can show them. Guys, as you can see, the volume is so big. Yeah, the volume. But guys, for me, that's why we traveled from Kisii town to come and take you to this waterfall. So we must head there for us. Yeah.
Sasa tunaweza zima hapa bado utushika hapo kwa video.
Zi. Hapana.
Unataka wapi bwana?
Tunaenda waterfall yenyewe. So guys, this is Rivakuja.
Sasa unatulipa ngapi tukienda waterfall?
Hai. Hapo maybe mimi nilidhani mnatupatia tu direction tu ya.
Sasa haina shida. Hatutaki pesa. Sasa ndio huu.
Rivakuja.
Rivakuja.
Wow. Huko msana za swim?
Huku chini
Ile ya waterfall nimesikia kuna watu walikufa hata last year.
Hata hii mwaka.
Unajua Amos?
Guys, now I'm more afraid because I wanted to go and swim over there, but many people are discouraging me about going to swim in that river.
Ile river ni kubwa sana.
It's more dangerous.
Inaweza kumeza bwana. Ile inaweza kumeza. Unaweza search aje?
YouTube mnaenda msearch Brian Vlog. Hata niandike kwa simu yako. Brian Vlog. So guys, let me give them the name of the channel and then we continue with the journey. I just say bye. So guys, they have given me direction and we're just saying goodbye to them.
Bye.
Yeah, so let's continue with the journey. So guys, the locals, I was with Kefa and engineer. He calls himself engineer. Engineer who? You have seen in the video. So thank you so much. These locals have guided us and they have given me a precaution. They have told me to not to go and swim over there because it's very dangerous. Guys, so let's go and see what happens. Guys, as the journey now continues, I'm becoming more afraid. Even I feel like now my friend just helped me with my bag because for now I think I'm getting even more afraid because most of the people right here are telling me even there's a white man who drowned actually in that waterfall. So I don't know, Brian.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna try because just for the video, for the sake of the video.
Okay, for the sake of the video. If you are going to try, I can say it's. You can try by yourself. I myself.
You won't try?
No.
But I think for me, I must try, go and swim and bring you the experience because if I won't, then what will be the purpose of this video?
Exactly, you're right. But what the precautions of the other villagers? So
I have been given the precautions and I'm hearing the sound of the river. That's the River Kuja. So let's head there and see what happens. Because for me, it's my first time. Guys, I know the water have been advised by the locals that the river is kind of satanic, right?
Yeah.
You know, a river has some kind of spirits, right?
The villagers believe that the river has got some magic attractions.
Is that the one over there?
Yeah, that's the fall. You can see it at Gomia. That's the fall exactly you are talking about.
Very strong.
It's called Nyakwana. So villagers around here, they don't swim.
They are even afraid.
They are afraid because they say there is magnetic attraction or deep towards the fall. I believe to be so deep, like 70 meters down.
Guys, what do you think? Do you need this video or we just end it from here?
We can't wait for the video.
So let's go. Yeah, so guys, as I was walking by, we have not reached the main waterfall, but I've just heard the sound of the beautiful stunning waterfall of the river, but the waterfall were not yet even near. So for now, I think I just want to maybe record a little bit and then we'll go to the main waterfall. I've been told it's so dangerous that you can even maybe sweep someone away. So let's go and see what happens. Yeah. Yeah. So I'm with my friend here, and he want to tell us something so that we can learn a bit. So Brian, say something.
Okay. As you are continuing to the main fall, we have come across the source. One of the source. The river source which connects to the main fall. We can have a look at it.
Okay, let's go. Guys, let's go and see how it looks like. But for the waterfall, we'll be heading there. So I just felt like I should see this one because the sound of the river is kind of therapeutic for me. Yeah, wow, I love it. The first time, yeah. But you have to be careful because you can be swept away. So that's the river, guys, over there. Let's go closer and see what's happening. Sorry. Wow, guys, the river is so huge, but we have to be careful not to fall down. I don't know if you can hear me, but that's how it looks like. Let's go closer, right? Let's go closer. Wow. What do you think, guys? What do you think? Wow. Maybe for now it has reduced. It's not that big. Yeah. You can hold the camera. Right now, guys, it's not that the river is not that huge because it's not raining. There, it's like it has reduced.
No. It does not reduce. So it's kinda type of a source. It's a source. So it's going to connect the main river.
But I think that it's kind of reducing. It's done.
No, it's not reducing. These are a source. So
Guys,
like,
I think if it's like this, then I should go and swim.
yeah, this one you can see. But the other one, it has more connection of so many rivers like this one. This is one of them. And there's so many rivers to come out to connect.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. I felt like drinking some water, and look what I found. Come closer. Just show them. Come closer. The water is so clean, and I'm going to fetch some so that I can use it on my way to the waterfall. So I've just heard that the waterfall is kind of some few kilometers away from here. So that's why I've decided to use this. Don't know how to take, but for me, I just have this. So let me drink, and the water is it's kind of coming from the rocks, right? It's coming from deep in the rocks.
What is the taste of the water, my friend? So I see you have tested it for so long time.
Yeah, you know, water, it's kind of tasteless. But for me, I just feel like it's very cold, and I love it. Even the way it looks, it's very clean. Yeah, you know, here in Africa, we don't even maybe have to boil water because this water is coming from the rocks, and you know the rocks is used to purify or maybe clean the germs from from dirty water. So for this, I'm sure it's very clean, and I'm sure they don't even have to boil it. So that's why I'm even drinking it.
Yeah, exactly. As you have spoken, this is where people, the whole village, the whole people of Nyakwana, they can come here and fetch this kind of water. It's very clean, as my friend has said. It's very clean. So I'm going to drink it too.
So guys, the waterfall is over there. We are heading there. As you can see, you can even listen to the sound of the waterfall if you're keen enough. Yeah. So I'm also joined with my friend right there, and I'm being told that that the waterfall is so dangerous. It can even sweep you away, or you can even drown. Huh. So even they're saying that last week actually, someone died on this river
When he was recording,
when he was taking pictures of himself. So I don't know how it comes, but I feel like I'm becoming more scared because of the stories that I'm hearing. But for me, guys, I must go there and check. I must also go and confirm what's happening. Yeah, I love the trees. They're so tall. So let's head there. One thing I love about waterfalls uh, is their sound. Their soothing sounds that makes you feel like you're in a kind of your own imaginations and healing somehow about the stress of the world and stuff. So that's why for me, I do prefer even getting the sound of the river when the water is now falling down from higher ground. So the sound, I love it. Wow. So guys, I can see it's so deep, but you never know. Everyone has their own luck, or what do you say? Wow, wow, wow. Guys, you can't believe it. You can't believe it because it's so huge. It's so huge. So huge. Wow. Guys, are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? I want to show you, but are you ready, guys? What do you think? You can hold the camera for me. Guys, finally, we are at Nyakwana Waterfall, and it's so huge. I'm even kind of more afraid because, wow, the way the water is just settled. Like this side, very quiet. You know, when the water is so quiet, then it must be so deep. So you can imagine. Maybe you can go closer.
yeah.
Just go. Yeah. So guys, I'm being guided, but this side is more deeper than the other side. And the other side you see over there. So and this side is where one local lost his life when he was taking pictures from that side. So Brian, what were you saying that even vehicles, even tractors, they sank over here?
Oh, okay. As we were told by our own researchers about earlier period,
Mm-hmm.
they believe that some of the white men,
Mm-hmm.
they were suing them for an extraction. They
Uh-huh.
were doing some of the extraction here
Uh,
to show up the deeper, the depthness of this Nyakwana.
mm,
So like one of the tractors
mm.
was like clear where we are standing. It's not a fall. I so deep, somebody inside it drowned away. Not as to not found him now.
So like walianguka ndani walikuwa wanafanya nini kwa?
So like walikuwa wanachimbua hizi nini wakisongeza. The tractor ilikuwa hapo karibu hapo chini. Where the camera is facing, that's where the tractor was.
Lakini tractor ingefika aje huko?
It sank. The tractor ilifika huko, like they were extracting something, like they wanted to establish a power station.
Oh.
Yeah, that's all.
They were constructing a power generation over here.
Yeah.
And then the white people sank over here.
Yeah. It believed to be so deep, like 70 meters.
Wow.
So 7 meters, the depth is 7 meters downward. Nobody has ever sunk there. So like there's nobody about the villagers. They can warn you. They even warn you.
Yeah. So hold the camera for me, and let's go to the other side. So just be careful.
Yeah. I have to be more careful.
You can leave the bag here. So that for comfortability.
Yeah.
is River Kuja. And this place that we are at, you can come closer because the river, they cannot hear me. So guys, this is River Kuja, and this is the waterfall that we came to explore. And unfortunately, maybe I'm feeling kind of afraid because I'm hearing bad stories about this river.
Shocking
So,
stories.
very shocking stories.
Yeah.
Could this be one of the dangerous rivers in Kenya? I
Yeah,
don't know.
It's one
But
of them.
by the end of the video, I'll be answering that question. So just go over there and show them. When it's raining, it will be so huge.
Yeah. The river banks overflow even when it's raining. It overflows the whole area. When it's raining, water, they put what you say, they put in the
Does it reach over there?
Yeah, they put in the pieces and it reaches that side. It's fine there.
Wow.
Yeah.
Look, the river, so fast. The speed of it, so fast. Right? Moving so fast. And you never know whether it's raining from the other side. So you have to be careful.
Yeah.
Wow. And it's also very dangerous.
You got that money.
Yeah, so guys, we went to the waterfall, Nyakwana waterfall, and unfortunately, your guy here could not swim because even the locals warned me of swimming in that place. They even told me if you're going to that place to swim, then you should just go back. I felt like this is a natural source. Are they maybe trying to maybe control the people that are going there? Because I don't understand. But after getting to the scene, it was so huge. The volume of the water and the speed of it so fast. We could not even attempt getting even closer. So I felt like for me to do more vlogs of maybe waterfalls, I should not dare that one because the next video I might not be the one who will be uploading. Yeah.
Exactly.
So I was with my friend here. Big shout out to him. Brian is my friend. He's also a tour guide in this place. If you maybe you would like to tour this place, I'll leave his details or maybe his WhatsApp page on my YouTube channel. Go follow him on his Facebook and also support him. So, my friend, the last word that you can tell my people.
Okay, you can see I'm getting so annoyed because I'm the one who didn't so swim that place. So friends, keep on subscribing to Brand Vlog.
Yeah, Brand
That's the only
Vlogs.
account we have.
Yeah,
Yeah,
kindly support me.
support him for more information, for more about force. You can even there are so many faults which he has not gone through. So you can be subscribing, so it can take you through the cameras. You can see the risky Nyakwana. So you can have some information, some hint about some faults, which is good, which is bad. So keep on subscribing for more videos.
Thank you so much. And also, I'm signing out. Let's say bye bye.
Bye.
Ciao ciao.
Ciao.